Hi, it's Nicholas. Today I want to review a new product will be launched today. It's called Utilizer. In this video, I'm going to show you what is exactly this product, Utilizer. And then I will go through the members area to walk you through every step inside the members area. And also, I have some exclusive bonus for you for this product. And then lastly, I will go through the sales and price as well. So what is exactly this product is all about? Is it also we can see the sales page. It's all about how to, and you can see the sales page. I will show you how to start your own traffic agency by using other clients' money to profit. This is also a product. How to start your solo ad business. As you can see that this is also the traffic agency. That is also about if you have no traffic, then you can. No matter what your business, you are ML business, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, if you have a product and sales, if you are a freelancer, no matter whatever your business you are, if you no traffic, that is no people that visit your site, then you can not make money. The similar way is also the first priority is to build your list, that is your email list. This is also a very simple way to create a landing page or squeeze page to capture their email, and also they will get it to your autoresponder. When you get your email list, then you can contact with your email list, and also you can build anything. When you have the bigger your email list, the more profit and sales you will make. Then you will have free traffic, paid traffic and free traffic, and some of the viral traffic. This is also another ways of to pay free traffic. Free traffic takes time. Paid traffic you will get expenses. Paid traffic but paid traffic is much faster that you can build your list. The most common method to build your list is Google ad, YouTube ad, Facebook ad, but and also some of them you Bing ad, but they all you have to test and test different way to also to speed testing, especially in Facebook ad, because this is a social media platform. They don't like affiliate marketing, and also the most easy way is to solo ad. Solo ad is to someone has a large email list. They just to pay someone for just for them how much they charge for every click, and they will send visitor to your landing page. And this is the most important thing, most easy ways to or the fast way to build your list. And how and you can see some of them, some of you may buy solo ad from vendor, but how you can start your solo ad seller business, and you because this traffic is evergreen. If you can start your own solo ad business, you can make money just from other people's. There is our clients' money to also to profit. But how you can start you can so in this product, you will Utilizer will teach you everything inside how to become a solo ad vendor. So if you are interested in this product and how to start your solo ad business, please stay with me till the end of the video. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's take a look what is the sales page. Discover the simple ways that is ranking $45 to $1,450 daily with no experience. No time for money, no contact to create, no website or list needed. And you can see that this is also 15 minutes to set up, 3 pickup per day, no email list contact, and no website, and ready to cover how to cover your bills, more money, then you can live a lifestyle. And you can see this is also and also they include 4 bonus if you buy this today, and you charge $97, but you can get 50 and about, and you just that discount for $85 just for $11.95 if you get it, and also you will get come back to 30 money guarantee. So what are my bonus offered to you? Let's take a look. Bonus number 1, you will get large solo ad vendor and list book. If you need to build your list fast, you can pay this big boy to send you lots of fast traffic. Bonus number 2, The instant traffic for Bing is with Bing, as most people are not using Bing as a traffic source, but this can be very profitable and very cheap traffic source. Bing, if you know anything, Bing is another soft or PPC pay for click network other than Google, but it is also a very cheap and affordable, and it can help you to drive traffic. Also, that is also you can build your list. Bonus maybe you will get a video training how to use solo ads to pull in a laser target audience that will buy whatever you sell. This is also another sort of solo ad. Bonus number 4 you free guide this or Facebook ads blueprint how to target and market to your choice client. Use Facebook. Bonus number 4 you will get a video course and Twitter traffic generator. Increase your brand influence in how to increase your brand. Drive traffic and double your sales and trips with trips. Bonus number 6 you will get another Facebook domination secret. Is how to grow your business and also teach you how to attract high-paying clients using your Facebook profile. It's also a free traffic. Bonus number 7 you will get the chat box revelation. Learn the secrets to saving insane amount of time and money by using chatbot. The chatbot in another way to build your chat box and something like the email list. But it is also inside the Facebook. And this you can use the chatbot for customer service, sell and market, research, and much more. Bonus number 8 you will get grow your profits fast with live video. Drive more traffic and higher conversion with live stream video. This will teach you this is bonus that will teach you how to do live streaming and how to make profit from it. And you will get all the exclusive bonus with also included vendor bonus. And I will mention that inside the members you will get 4 exclusive bonus. Before the countdown timer hits 0, all my exclusive bonus will be inside the Warrior Plus. Inside the Warrior Plus will be automatically delivered to you. Simply click the link below in the description. The first link they will come to my bonus page. All my bonus that will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus. So let's take a look at what is the members area. What is inside the members area? So let's take a look inside the members area. So in the training area, and you can see that when this is auto creator, he is also a solo ad vendor. This is also first of all you will get a case study. This is also auto vendor to show you how to profit from how to the case study that show you exactly how to profit from other people's money that still work to this day and for years to come. This is a case study. It come to 5 parts of training. This is all part 6 is a bonus that you will get in the sales page. Part 1 is one-time setup. Part 2 get traffic clients and affiliate commission. Part 3 deliver high quality clicks to your client with our list. Part 4 what to do to keep making money when you have no traffic client. Part 5 the last part of the training. Accelerate your click delivery and save tons of time. Part 6 bonus. This is overall bonus that will be useful to get more leads and more money. So let's take a look what is the part 1 grab into. This is also no brainer. You grab this utilizer and also you start your solo ad seller business. Part 1 video one times easy setup. And you will get some recommendation for you to use. And you can try ClickMagick. Two recommendations for you. ClickMagick and ClickLiker. ClickMagick is all. I think that most of you want to tracking your especially if you will buy someone from solo ad. Most of them will teach you how to use ClickMagick. But if you are using this specifically and solo ad vendor to start your business, they will highly recommend you should use this ClickLiker. If you want to know how to do that, why do you should know? You will watch the video to teach you everything inside in the video. Why they highly suggest not to use ClickMagick. If you want to start your solo ad seller business, video is more information slip over the traffic. And it will teach you them how to what is the wrong click, unique. Why is slip over is so important, and also this is also very so many. And you can see how click here to 7 times. You will also to see his rotator link lah. Video 3 is how to add traffic guidance in your rotator lah. Is on. Video 4 is how to make click generating the page to generate your own traffic and make 100% of the profit on your traffic sales. It's all about how to use bridge page to start your own traffic. Bridge page is also about I mentioned before that is about bridge page and a bridge page, and also how to use this special page to build your list. Excuse me, this part is about a video, but if you want to generate your own traffic through different platforms, email, social media, website, blog, forum, that's it also. And then they will also have some recommendation for you after you watch this, and you can if you want to use the same WordPress webcam editor, web page editor as the web vendor, you will try this Clicks Booster. I'm not exactly how to the pronunciation of this model. Clicks Booster, and then you will watch this short video below to see how I make page in less than 30 seconds with Clicks Booster. And then this also you will get access to this product. And till the end of this page, you will get 3 different box banner. Discover how to change traffic, and also you will change traffic. Get your file done for your page and file done for PDF report. Get your 125 done for your top tier creative tier. This is also upsell as well. This is also upsell number 1, 2, 3. And I will reveal that to you later. And after watching the 4 video, continue or change. Let's go to the let's go to the part 2. What is the part 2 in the training? How much should you sell your clicks? That is also the first of all is make money. Is focused on make money online niche. How many clicks should you sell at first? The video 5 is how to get clients that want to buy clicks from you. This also you can try it, and also you will have to make an image big. If you have also to make an image. If you have the image build maker, you can try Canva for free and try Snipper for free. And some of them, and I think some of you have very familiar with Canva. You should use it forever for free. Snipper, you can try it for yourself. I never tried it. I also use Canva for free. And also they have some warning. If you want to start your solo ad, this is also the method. This is you can read it before. If you follow, this is also you can. If you follow the 4 guidance about you will able to post without any problem. Video 6 is how to make a send PayPal invoice to your client. Video 7 if it's other place you can sell traffic. What is the other place and you can sell this for Udemy. I think most of you will be very famous for Udemy. And click on me and solo ad marketplace. And then after watching these 3 videos about and you can continue your training. This is a part 3 delivering clicks to your client. Let's take a look what is the part 3 is all about. Let's take a look what is the part 3 is all about. So just a moment. What is the part 3? Part 3 video 8 delivering clicks to your client. How to deliver the data with paid traffic. This is also utilizer. And also video 8 and also video go to video 9 getting testimonial to get more traffic sale. This is also a very important. If you have mixed more sale and you can get a good and excellent more testimonial for your client. This is also to boost your conversion. How to drive more visitor come to you if you have a more conversion, more successful conversion. This is also how many click, how many opt-in rate for your client, and how if you have make some sales. This is also a very good testimonial you can place for your in front of other visitor. Where you come, this is solo ad vendor is sell solo ad is much more affordable and also much conversion and also this also can make sales there's a possibility that you can get more traffic sales from their traffic sales and you will get download your 2 testimonial templates here after watching the 2 videos then continue your training this is also the part 4 what to do to keep making money if when you have no traffic client in your rotator let's take a look what is the part 4 is all about part 4 is all about just take a look what is the part 4 is all about so part 4 what to do when you have no traffic client in rotator that is also what is told keep driving leads to your rotator that is also very important after reading about then continue your training very short as part 4 is a trust lead sources you can use to secure your traffic client let's take a look to part 5 is all what is the training is part 5 all about let's take a look just for a moment part 5 is all about this how to this is also part 5 is all this the end of the training and you will learn how to do that just take a for a moment so let's take a look at the inside the members the last part of training videos 10 done for you listed converter that is also in this video we will teach you remember you can get your solo ad and super discount rates and you can see this is also after you watch to the end of the video part 5 and you can get high quality traffic data access our traffic center here and get reduced reseller price and this is also the end of the training after watching all the video and go to grab your bonus this is also the 5 parts of training and the last part you will get access for your 4 bonus tier let's take a look what also you will get this bonus in the sales page so let's take a look you can access your bonus tier and you will get a 3x more list by using the pilot traffic method training kits let's take a look but slowly is still stalling okay access your bonus tier the bonus number 1 you will get 3x more list how to get 3x more list by using this price list traffic method you will get all the click banking you will get your click banking training here and also you will bonus number 2 you will get 3x more clicks and how to generate 3x more clicks by using this unknown method capture list and process it in your client clicks view email follow up and broadcast paybacks you can try Aweber get response sending them for free is also and you will try clicks booster how to make your beach page maker Aweber get response this is more and also the sending this is also this is also the most common and autoresponder you can try it bonus number 3 you will get about 3x more sales 3x more traffic sales by using this unknown method you will get access to their group bonus number 4 you will get $480 in 54 minutes case study in this real case study in this real case study and you can get access to their Facebook traffic loophole loophole and also they included and announced the bonus training the lazy traffic style hack how to outsource clicks without using a rotator this is also when if you don't lazy enough and want to and don't use the rotator you can outsource this clicks and you can pay the video below this is also how to use it and finally they also have included their outsource you can access our traffic center hacks here and get our reduced reseller price and also in the end of the training you will get a special offer this is also you will get a special offer how would you like to never spend a single dime from your own pocket on traffic and keep you all the profit they also we provide the list we set you up we train and assist you and then you keep all the profit the average marketer spend more than $1,000 per year on ULEZ profit and training and you can still click here to how I can set up your traffic business, included list to profit right away. And if you are interested, you can click it to see what is all about. How to, I think this is also everything is done for you, and also how to train you as a very successful from a newbie to a very successful solo ad seller, and also to start your business. And also, if you want to know how to, and then the last one you will go back to beginning of the training. If you want to read it all about. So let's take a look. What is my bonus? After that, you watch all my all the training, and also will lastly to go through what is the price and the upsell as well. So Utilizer will show you how to outsource solo ad in a very special way, and you will get 100% risk free. You will get free clicks by giving possibility to build your own list, and also get affiliate commission from your speed over the traffic. Is the vendor meet you. This vendor has teach you new traffic seller for last 6 years, and this is also an evergreen. This is also very well is today, and you can get this the front end Utilizer just for $11.95. Upsell number 1, you will get full click banking, $1970. In this training, you will keep how to do click banking. It's also you will trade traffic with other marketers to get free and fresh traffic each day. This is the easiest way to get 100 free lists per day on autopilot, and you will get instant access to their Facebook group where you can trade traffic among each other. This is also I mentioned about the page 1. This is the upsell number 1, how to get 100 free lists per day. Utilize upsell number 2 is utilize a click generating system, $27, and you will get done for you the page and PDF that help you to multiply your clicks by 3x or more. This is also the second. This is also you can see that this is all how to get which page and PDF. This is on the first page. This is also about the upsell number 2. Upsell number 3, top tier creative, $37. You will get and this is also about the higher the top tier traffic. What is the top tier traffic? They also have English speaking country, and also you included the 5 biggest 5 countries, and USA, UK, Canada, New Zealand, and Australia. This is all of the top tier traffic because they are also English speaking country, and also they have money to spend. This is also the top tier traffic. This is also the higher the top tier traffic you can generate for yourself, and more you can charge per click they sell, and you can see this solo ad. If you pay and some the common is 80%, over 80% top tier, but you can provide 100% top tier, they will charge more money for your client. Option number 4 is commission booster, $97. You will because you will get 100% commission throughout our sales page. This is also you can grab this utilizer and sell as your own. Everything you sell you will keep 100% commission, and also you will get a utilizer the sales page, and also the most important thing is also you could under your name and capture and also you could brand this as yourself and sell this. This is also to build your brand. You will get 10 promotional swipe that you can use anyway you want. And in my opinion, I highly recommend that you can grab $70. You will get how to quick check and how you can easy ways to get 100 free leads per day on autopilot. I highly recommend you can grab upsell number 1, and also you will get an upsell and upsell number. Option number 2 is also how to multiply your clicks by 3x, $27. If you want to multiply your clicks, I highly recommend that you can grab upsell number 2. Upsell number 3 is also about if you how to top tier creative. If you want to let your business go to the next level and how to sell more top tier traffic, and I highly recommend you should grab upsell number 3. Upsell number 1, 2, 3. You can grab it because it is also to boost your solo ad business. So this is also lastly I recap what my exclusive bonus for you. Bonus number 1, you will get a large solo ad vendor and list booker. Bonus number 2, you will get instant traffic for Penix with Bing X. Bonus number 3, you will get a video training a solo ad mastery. Bonus number 4, you will get free guide Facebook ad blueprint. Bonus number 5, you will get video training Twitter traffic generator. Bonus number 3, you will get a Facebook domination secret. Bonus number 6, you will get a chatbot revolution. Bonus number 8, you will get your and live streaming the video profit, and also you will get all the exclusive bonus, and as I mentioned before, inside the members area. Before the countdown timer hit 0, when you come simply click the link below in the description. The first thing they will come to my bonus page, and you press any blue button and go through the sales page and buy it through my affiliate link. All my exclusive bonus will be inside the Warrior Pass and will deliver it to you even if you just purchase the front end. So thanks for taking time to check out my Utilizer review and bonus. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope you will support my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you.